woods is pulling at the strings through the entire town, wreaking anarchy. I can't sit idly, no, I can't sit at all. I curse the name, the one who's pulling at the puppeteers. I'm howling at the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord is pulling at the strings to make you take our world away. Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking your prey alone? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take your tyranny away. Played by puppeteers, what a terrifying work of art. I can't sit idly, I curse the one behind it all. Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take your tyranny away. Discord, I'm howling at the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, whatever did we do to make you take our world away? And sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, I'm howling at the moon to make you take our world away. Discord, I'm howling at the moon, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discord, I'm howling at the moon, so take your tyranny away.